Welcome to EV Learning Tools. In this video you will learn about what is Vidya Lakshmi Portal, features of Vidya Lakshmi Portal, how to apply for educational loan through Vidya Lakshmi, rate of interest for the educational loan, benefits of Vidya Lakshmi, types of education loans in India, importance of education loan, features and benefits of education loans, eligibility criteria for education loans in India, etc. India government-run education loan portal, Vidya Lakshmi. It is a single platform where students can avail information on loans offered by 36 banks of total 110 loan schemes. Vidya Lakshmi is a first-of-its-kind portal for students seeking education loan. This portal has been developed under the guidance of Department of Financial Services, Department of Higher Education, and Indian Banks Association, IBA. The portal has been developed and being maintained by NSDL, E-Governance Infrastructure Limited. 1. What are the features of Vidya Lakshmi Portal? Vidya Lakshmi Portal provides single window for students to access information and make application for educational loans provided by multiple banks and govt scholarships. It has the following features: 1. Information about educational loan schemes of banks. 2. Common educational loan application form for students. 3. Apply to multiple banks for educational loans. 4. Facility for banks to download students' loan applications. 5. Facility for banks to upload loan processing status. 6. Facility for students to email grievances or queries relating to educational loans to banks. 7. Linkage to National Scholarship Portal for information and application for government scholarships. 2. How can I apply for educational loan through Vidya Lakshmi? The applicant must register and log into Vidya Lakshmi Portal https://www.vidyalakshmi.co.in and then fill up the Common Education Loan Application Form (CELAF) by providing all the necessary details. After filling the form, the applicant can search for educational loan and apply as per his/her needs, eligibility and convenience. Alternatively, the applicant can also search for educational loan after login and apply for the suitable educational loan by filling the CELAF. 3. What is Common Educational Loan Application Form (CELAF)? The Common Educational Loan Application Form is the single form which students can fill to apply for educational loan to multiple banks, schemes. CELAF is the application form prescribed by Indian Banks Association, IBA, and accepted by all banks. This form is provided on Vidya Lakshmi Portal to apply for educational loan. 4. What is rate of interest for the educational loan? The interest rate varies from bank to bank and scheme to scheme. Therefore, the applicant, student is requested to check the same on loan search page after login. The interest rates for such loans range from 8.45% to 15.2% per annum. Education loans can also be used to gain tax benefits under Section 80(e). 5. How has Vidya Lakshmi, as a one-stop platform, been able to address issues of education loan seekers? Vidya Lakshmi is one of its kind portal for students to apply for educational loans. Just by filling up a single common education loan application form, students can apply to 3 banks of his/her choice at one time, thus making the process applying of education loan application transparent, fast and hassle-free. 6. What have been the figures so far in the number of students who availed the loans and total loans disbursed under the scheme? Ever since Vidya Lakshmi Portal was announced operational in August 2015, a large number of students have availed this facility. Also, students continue to apply to the banks directly and banks have been uploading their data on the portal. So far, more than 4.69 lakh students' loan data reside on the portal since inception. 7. What difference has Vidya Lakshmi made in the current market of education loan? Earlier, the student needed to visit a bank to apply for education loan. The process involved a lot of paperwork. With Vidya Lakshmi, the process of education loan application has become online, thus it involves lesser paperwork. The student can also send any grievances directly to bank in which she has applied for education loan online through the portal. 8. Which courses and institutes the loan seekers are applying for and availing the loans the most. Courses like engineering, medical and management have high percentage in loan seekers. 9. Is there any relaxation in interest rates loan seekers get through this scheme? If no, how beneficial is the scheme? Interest rates vary from bank to bank and depend on the loan scheme. A student can opt for any scheme of any bank of his choice. 10. What are the norms for defaulters? Vidya Lakshmi Portal, VLP, provides a platform wherein students apply for loans to their preferred bank, and bank processes and disperses the loan. Each bank has its own set of norms for dealing with defaulters. 11. How much time does it take to approve and sanction the loan? As per the IBA guidelines, loans should be processed within 15 days of receipt of duly completed application form, with supporting documents and sanction. Rejection should be communicated to the applicant. 12. In terms of number of applications received, which Indian state is ahead and which is behind? Students who have applied for educational loans are most from Tamil Nadu. Lesser number of applications is seen from states like Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Nagaland. 13. Types of education loans in India. An education loan is designed to financially aid the applicant in affording the cost of education. Since it caters to customers going for higher studies, the loans can be classified based on two parameters. 13.1. Location of the institute, India or abroad. There are numerous banks in the country which offer loans specifically for students who aim study in India, and for those who aim to study abroad. This distinction in the loan has been made keeping in mind the different financial needs that arises from studying in India or studying abroad. A. Study abroad loans. Such loans are aimed at applicants who plan to study abroad. Generally, lenders have a list of institutions or specifications they support. The loan is approved if the applicant secured a seat in one of those institutes. B. Domestic loans. Domestic loans are meant for applicants who wish to pursue higher education in India. Lenders have eligibility criteria for the Indian institutes as well. Similar to study abroad loans, domestic education loans are approved if the applicant secured admission in an institute that meets the requirement. 13.2. Course-based loan. Many banks and NBFCs offer loans that are based on the type of course the applicant is going for. There are loans which are also made for studying in premier institutions like IITs and IIMs. Similarly, customers may also find loans that specifically offer financial solutions for the course they're planning to pursue. Some types of course-based loans are: A. Undergraduate loans. These loans offer financial support for pursuing undergraduate degree programs. B. Graduate or professional loans. These loans are designed for applicants who want to pursue postgraduate studies or other professional courses. C. Career loans. Such loans help applicants pursue career-oriented programs and certification courses. 14. Importance of education loan. Education costs are on a steady rise. In such a scenario, getting an education loan helps the applicant gain access to quality education at premier institutions, whether in India or abroad. Apart from the tuition fees, education loans also help the applicant with the living costs and any other study-related expenses. Mentioned below are a few important reasons why you should opt for an education loan. A. Easily available. Most banks in India provide education loans as a priority product. Availing education loans is comparatively less complicated, as you only have to establish your repayment capacity to get approval. B. Specialized help. Education loans take care of the additional expenses that are associated with most courses like hostel fees, library fees, etc. C. Prevents exhaustion of resources. By opting for an education loan, the applicant or his or her parents can keep their savings intact. Such loans prevent the exhaustion of one's savings and helps them meet their financial needs comfortably. 15. Features and benefits of education loans. 1. Easy access available to everyone. 2. Helps finance course in India and abroad. 3. Customizable loan amounts. 4. 100% finance options available. 5. Applicant's annual family income and course opted for determine the loan amount. 6. Government-sponsored subsidies available for minority students. 7. Repayment period begins after the completion of the course. 16. Eligibility criteria for education loans in India. Mentioned below is the general eligibility criteria for education loans in India. 1. Age factors: undergraduate study loans, 18 years to 27 years, postgraduate study loans, 21 years to 35 years, doctoral course loans, 27 years to 55 years, postdoctoral course loans, 27 years to 65 years. 2. Courses eligible: undergraduate programs, postgraduate programs, doctoral courses and PhDs, certificate courses with 6 months or longer duration, job-oriented courses, technical courses. 3. Professional institutions, institutes eligible, recognized institutions and government colleges, private institutes aided by government, international colleges and universities. 17. Tips to make the loan application process easy. Follow these steps mentioned below to make the loan application process a seamless process. 1. Confirm course, university you want to apply to. 2. Compare the educational loans available in the market based on the loan amount, tenure, and interest rates. 3. Keep all the basic documents ready like address proof, age proof, nationality proof, etc. 4. Keep a tested marks card starting from 10th standard handy. 5. Provide the admission letter issued by the college, institute. 6. Make sure to get entry permit, admission letter, passport and visa if you are studying abroad. For detailed information, click on dashboard link. Thanks for watching EV Learning Tools. Keep watching our channel and subscribe our channel for updated information. Share with your friends.